Please buy them all before you leave. Life happens, time passes. You don't know when you'll take off. Save big on your study abroad trip by starting by buying all of the items below. And all items Amazon links are provided in the description, including Telegram channel link. 1. Travel pillow. 2. Luggage bags. 3. Luggage tags. 4. US travel adapter. 5. TSA approved locks, compulsory for bags with no TSA. 6. Multi-grooming kit. Haircuts are super expensive in the US. 7. Scientific calculator, super expensive in the US. 8. Steel lunchbox. 9. Power bank. Winter jacket, should sustain an up to 20°C, men. Phone touch-enabled gloves, useful. Thermalwear set, highly important. Thermal socks. Pressure cooker. Pen drive/hard disk, put all your documents in this pen drive and carry it along with you. Body wash and loofah, important. Basic stationery for immediate use. Sunscreen, lotion, essentials, face wash, shampoo and conditioner. Table clock. Formal suits, men. Casual hoodies. Hope this list has helped you for your shopping, but make sure you buy through this links for my support smile.